Hi, my name is Diana, and I have to tell you, I was super excited to get this. In return for this video, I love advent calendars. And usually they're like beauty products, skincare. This is the first time I've ever seen a survival advent calendar. And if anyone knows me well, I love survival stuff. This would be the perfect gift for me. So I'm actually going to be very excited to open this with you and show you some of the things inside. Not everything, because some things need to be a surprise, but check this out. You have 24 days of gifts. We're going to go ahead and pick a couple numbers here. I'm going to pick, let's see, a lucky number for me is 5. That's the month I was born. So let's see what is in 5. I honestly do not know what is in here, but I'm going to go ahead and open this up and see. Okay, what do we have? It's a compass. 4. Oh, look. Oh, a flashlight. It's got multi things to it. It's a compass on one side, thermometer, whistle, a little cord here to wrap it around your neck. This is a fork and a spoon. And you open it up, you have a knife. And I think that may be to clean fish. I'm not sure. Pretty sure that's a whistle. I'm going to do one more. Let's do 6 right there in front. Oh, nice. Lights up. It blinks. Oh, look at that. Kind of like a little mini lantern. These are adorable. I should also mention that one of the days you do get this cute little travel bag, and everything inside the calendar fits right inside here. In fact, I have everything inside here right now, but you're going to have to get the calendar if you want to know what all those other goodies are. So definitely check it out.